Hello, welcome to the AquaServ Pool Service Safety Training video. In this lesson, we will talk about many of the safety issues that you may incur in the pool service industry. Some of the subjects we will cover are driver safety, properly loading and storing chemicals in your truck, adding chemicals to the pool, and what to do in case of an incident. Driving safety is crucial for pool service technicians. 40% of your day is driving to and from your clients' pools. Here are some guidelines to follow. Follow speed limits. Adhere to speed limits and drive at a safe, controlled speed, especially considering the potential presence of hazardous materials in the back of the truck. Be aware of weather conditions. Adjust your driving behavior based on weather conditions. Exercise caution during rain, fog, or other adverse weather. Wearing your seatbelt as a pool service technician is crucial for safety. In the event of an accident, it reduces the risk of injury by preventing you from being thrown inside the vehicle or ejected. Seatbelts play a vital role in protecting you during unexpected situations on the road, ensuring you can continue providing pool services safely. Locking your doors between pool service stops is a smart practice to enhance personal and equipment security. It helps prevent unauthorized access to your vehicle and valuable tools, minimizing the risk of theft or tampering. This simple precaution adds an extra layer of safety and ensures that you can focus on your pool service tasks without concerns about potential security issues. Avoid distractions. Minimize distractions while driving, such as texting or talking on the phone. Focus on the road to reduce the risk of accidents. If you are found to be at fault of an accident because of texting and driving, you can be terminated. No call or text is worth your job or your life. Follow safety regulations. Familiarize yourself with and adhere to local and state regulations regarding the transportation of hazardous materials and safe driving practices. In each vehicle, you will find Department of Transportation required hazardous materials data sheets. Do not work after sunset. Do your very best to finish your pools before sunset. You are not able to properly see if it is dark out, and homeowners do not want their pool guy or gal there after dark. Local story here in Palm Harbor. A homeowner mistook the pool guy cleaning the pool at 8:30 p.m. for an intruder and opened fire on the pool tech with a semi-automatic rifle. Luckily, the pool guy was not hit. When storing chemicals for a pool service company in the back of a truck, ensure they are secured in well-ventilated, labeled containers. Separate incompatible chemicals and avoid leaks or spills by using spill-proof containers. Keep a spill kit on hand and store chemicals away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures to prevent reactions. Regularly inspect and maintain the storage area to minimize risks during transportation. Follow safety data sheet guidelines and local regulations for proper storage and handling. Mixing calcium hypochlorite, a chlorine-based pool shock, and muriatic acid can create a highly reactive and dangerous chemical reaction. The combination releases chlorine gas, which is toxic and can cause respiratory distress, irritation to the eyes, and other health issues. This reaction can be violent and lead to the release of heat, potentially causing burns or damage. It is crucial to never mix these chemicals and follow proper safety guidelines, handling them separately and in well-ventilated areas. Always consult safety data sheets and local regulations when working with pool chemicals. No smoking in or around your pool truck. Smoking around a pool truck is strongly discouraged because pool chemicals, especially chlorine-based ones, can be highly reactive and flammable. Smoking near these chemicals poses a significant risk of ignition, leading to fires or explosions. Additionally, the presence of chlorine compounds can produce toxic fumes when combined with cigarette smoke. To prioritize safety, it's essential to prohibit smoking in areas where pool chemicals are stored or transported and to follow established guidelines for their handling. Pool chemicals, when exposed to water, can undergo chemical reactions that may lead to the release of heat, gas, or other hazardous substances. For instance, if water comes into contact with calcium hypochlorite, a common pool shock chemical, it can produce heat and potentially generate chlorine gas. Storing pool chemicals in a dry environment in the back of the truck helps prevent accidental reactions, spills, and the formation of harmful substances, ensuring the safety of both the handlers and the surrounding environment. If there is a situation where there is a fire in your truck, pull over to a safe location, and if it is small, you may attempt to extinguish it with an extinguisher located in your truck. If this fails or you do not feel safe, back far away from the truck and call 911. Let the dispatcher know that it is a pool truck with chemicals on board. In case you get pool chemicals in your eye, take the following precautions. 1. Rinse your eyes immediately with a gentle stream of water for at least 15 minutes. Use a clean cup or eye wash station if available. 2. While flushing, hold your eyelids open to ensure thorough irrigation and removal of the chemical. 3. Seek medical attention. Even if symptoms improve during rinsing, it's essential to seek professional medical attention promptly. Avoid rubbing your eyes, as this can exacerbate irritation. If you have a chemical burn on your skin from pool chemicals, take the following steps. 1. Remove contaminated clothing. If the chemical is on clothing, carefully remove the affected clothing while avoiding further exposure. 2. Immediately rinse the affected area with copious amounts of water for at least 20 minutes. Use hose or jump in pool if necessary. 3. Seek medical attention. For chemical burns, especially if they cover a large area or are severe, seek immediate medical attention. Always follow safety guidelines and seek professional medical advice when needed. By prioritizing safety, both on the road and in handling pool chemicals, you can minimize risks and ensure a secure working environment for yourself and others. Thank you for watching this video. Please be safe out there.